Suffering produces perseverance, perseverance character, and character hope. Romans 5. The last couple of weeks, suffering in my body has increased every day. It's been 13 years straight of treatment. I'm tired of this. I can see reasons why God allows suffering with freedom of choice. We make our own decisions. But what about illness where it is not our decision? I'm not entirely sure. But I do think of Taylor, 11 years old, the most beautiful and encouraging soul I ever met. I got to visit her and her family in the hospital. She was suffering from an extreme form of brain cancer and had part of her skull and face removed. She suffered tremendously and then moved from earth to heaven. Her family still encourages me and reminds me that there is something greater out of suffering beyond our understanding. I must believe that. If I didn't believe that, I wouldn't be around for very long. I must err on the end of hope. I must err on the end of there's a greater purpose. All right, have a best day ever. Love you guys.